Good day everybody, and welcome back to DX Explorer for another video. Today I will not build anything, I will not test anything, and I will not make any review. Today is about an announcement related to a shortwave listening contest. So if you're a shortwave listener, stick around because you have some details to find out. A couple of days ago, Frank Foxtrot 0 Delta Uniform Whiskey sent me an email and asked me if I would like to promote a shortwave listening contest. I believe he's the one organizing the contest. His shortwave listener call sign is Foxtrot 14368. I hope I'm not wrong. The contest will start on November 1st and it will end on December 31st, and you will have to send the results, I believe the logs, to him. There's an email address written into the article talking about this. I'll put the link down below, and I'll also write a blog article, and if Frank would allow me, I will copy some details from the from that page into the blog article so I can promote it to the blog readers. But yeah, you'll have to send your logs to that email address no longer than January 10th, 2024. Anyway, there will be prizes. There are a couple of sponsors as well, so go have a look at the prices that are available. And the contest is open to participants from all over the world. There's no limits, and you don't have to register for this, you just participate, and that's it. The prizes, I believe, they will be categorized in two categories. I think some of the best prices, this is from what I read so far into the article, some of the best prices will be offered to those using their own radios at home. So basically that is one category. You're going to participate in the contest using your own receiver at home. You can use a handheld receiver, an SDR receiver, but like a home one. And you can also participate using online SDR receivers. For example, you might listen to the SDR receiver in Holland, in Amsterdam. I think there's one, some university, I forgot the name, I'm sorry. But you will use that one, for example, and the only rule that that applies to this category using online SDR receivers is that for the entire duration of the contest, you will only have to use that particular SDR receiver, the online SDR receiver. I think the idea is very simple and it makes sense if you think about it, because for example, it would be unfair for the other participants if you would listen to one SDR receiver today and then tomorrow you decide to listen to some online SDR in South America, and then the third day you're gonna go to some online SDR in Russia. So yeah, it's not fair, because the ones using the receiver at home, it's not like they will pack the receiver and fly really quick in South America, listen to to some stations over there, then fly to Canada and so on. So you get the idea why this rule is very important. And of course the contest relies on the honesty of the participants. So yeah, I really like this idea. The entire idea of the contest is that Frank would like to promote listening on the medium waves and the short waves. And yeah, I believe it's not important if you're listening to amateur radio stations or AM broadcast stations. I think all of them count. I'm not 100% sure, but you will check that into the rules of the contest, but I believe that's what I read. And yeah, I think it's a really great idea. That's why I even accepted to do this, and I was really happy. The reason is that I didn't know in the past, before I got my amateur radio license, that you can actually get a call sign as a shortwave listener, and there are even contests for this. I had no idea, and I wish I knew, because I would also participate. I had a bunch of logs, a lot of papers here, logbooks with all the amateur radio call signs that I was receiving. I was basically filling up a log just like I do now as an amateur radio operator, and I'm logging all my QSOs. So yeah, I really like it. Who knows, maybe if I have the time I will do a logbook, a printable logbook that you can print it and you can write your contacts over there, and post it into the same article that I have on the blog, where I'm talking about, it's about the QSO logbook, and that one is particular designed for amateur radio operators, but I believe I can make a version for shortwave listeners, unless you just want to use that one. You let me know down in the comments if you want me to design a special one. Sorry. So yeah, anyway, what can I say? Good luck if you're going to participate, and I hope you win the prizes. I looked already over there. There are quite some interesting prizes, so yeah, good luck to all the participants, and thanks Frank for letting me know about the contest. I will also write a blog article and I'll put some more details over there. So anyway, I'll see you next Tuesday with a PTTCO video. Until then, thanks for watching, and 73.